This is our train. Train, yes. This is the first sleeper train I've ever been on.
No, stand up. Don't put your hands on the floor.
21.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you from?
England.
Oh, England.
I'll come see you. I'll come talk to you soon.
खाने मैडम थाली में मिक्स सब्जी है, दाल है,
I think we're here.
This was my bed.
गरम पराठा भी है। चलो भैया नीलम रेस्टोरेंट से आलू पराठा, दही पराठा, गरम पराठा। चलो भैया आलू
Like
पराठा,
it.
दही पराठा, इडली सांभर।
Playing a game on my phone, and I made some friends.
rice, utensils, bread, vegetable, some for sweet, radish.
Okay. Logan, what are you doing? Look at me. What are you doing?
Playing this game.
Okay. You having fun?
Yeah. Flip trick stuff.
Show me.
They tried to learn me how to blow bubbles with chewing gum.
Try.
And they were doing it, I think.
But don't throw it.
Like this. But I couldn't do it. Some people wanted selfies with me. These are all the snacks you could get. They was very cheap.
Logan.
Okay.
Yeah. You want this one? You want? You want? No?
Take a picture.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
He's never seen blonde hair before. You want this for your pudding?
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Dia. What's your name?
Logan. How old are you?
I am 10 years old. How old are you?
6.
6 years old.
Where do you live?
I am living in Gujarat. Where do you live?
In England.
Okay. In which city you are living?
Doncaster. What city you live
I am
in?
living in Rajkot.
Have you been Statue of Unity?
No, I have not went here. Have you ever went to just to Statue of Unity?
No, but I'm going soon.
Okay.
Would you like to go?
Yes, I would like to go, but now I will go to Statue of Unity in next vacation.
My other friend went, so I met this one. Do you like football?
Yes, I like football.
Who's your favourite footballer?
My favorite footballer is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Same. Let's check out the toilets.
Mommy? Thank you, sir. This one.
Not good for
Uncle.
Oh.
Now me and my dad went to sleep. Finally time to get off. It was the early hours of the morning.
Hello? Kitna? Can I have free, please? All, no, chilled.
They was 20 pence each.
Okay.
I nearly drank all of it.
Okay.
Please hit the subscribe button.